dear life, teach our children all that they must learn. But let these lessons come with kind words and nurturing experiences. Teach them that you, dear life, can be a tough teacher, but that there is a purpose to your power, and the secret lies in unveiling the purpose. Teach our children that the human race is seamless, and that there are no boundaries and distinctions between man and man. Teach my daughter that each time she places this sacred thread upon her brother's wrist, she takes into her embrace all of humanity. Teach my son that as he promises love and protection to his sister, he does so to all the women that he shall ever meet. Teach him that dignity and honor are not the bastions of men alone, but the rights that you, dear life, bestow on all humanity. Teach our children to look into the eyes of others so that they respond to the truth of the soul rather than react to the falsehood of appearance. Shower them with your cornucopia of gifts so that they learn that joys can be multiplied only by dividing them amongst all. When harsh winds begin to blow, beloved life, teach them to sway in their divine power, so that though they become yielding like the elm, they can still remain strong like the oak. Though you cannot keep the storms away that their souls desire to encounter, you can teach our children how to find their shelter within themselves, so that they learn that the surest way to battle a storm is to wait it out within the silence of the heart and the faith of the soul. Do not let them suffer the mistakes that we have made, and allow not our selfishnesses to become their burdens. Teach them to respect and honor beloved Earth Mother, upon whose breast we suckle each living day. Give them the ears to hear her cries and the hands to wipe her tears. Teach them that self-pride is not self-absorption, and that selflessness is the farthest from self-denial. When they err and fall upon the paths that they choose, lift them up tenderly, O life, so that they learn that there is no shame in failure, and that a successful person is one who lends his wings for others to take flight. Teach them to value the tributes of humanity more than the gold and silver trophies that they shall receive. All this you must do, O wise teacher, so that when our beloved ones reach those distant shores, the divine bells shall peal to welcome home the returning hero.